We're back with another video. And guess what video we're doing? Part 2, the TikTok challenge. Well, the TikTok eating, trying different TikTok. I say this so wrong. I can't even get it out. I'm hungry.
Different TikTok food viral eating things.
What? Bro, what are you talking about, man?
You didn't even say it right.
I don't know. Trying viral TikTok foods.
Oh, thanks.
Yeah, so.
Anyway, I still got my work clothes on, y'all. I just got off. This Negro been off since this morning. Shoot. But anyway, let's get it. I'm ready to try this one. He's probably scared to try it, but I'm kind of interested to see how it really tastes. But before we get into this video, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe.
And hit that post notification bell down below.
You're ugly. Get out the way.
Why, thank you.
We got Aubrey in the cut. But without further ado, let's get into this video.
Dang.
Okay, so what we doing first? What you want to do first?
You
know we're not planners over here. We just do.
We're gonna do that first.
Oh, why? No, you're right. You trying to save the best for last?
Yeah.
That's what it is?
And I just want to do this first.
You just want a pickle.
No. Just want to do this first.
So, the first thing we're going to try is cucumbers, sausage, and white rice. We put some salt and pepper on our white rice because I don't eat plain.
This is a weird food.
White rice.
Like, I don't understand it.
I've seen quite a few people eat this, especially on seafood boils. I don't know why. Well, not seafood boils, but mukbangs, and they would eat this as an actual meal, like a whole entire meal.
It's weird.
I mean, it's not really weird. It's just not a combination that you see every day.
Sausage. We ain't got no regular side. You know, the down south folks, we eat them knickels. Yeah, no knickels. I don't know about the
Okay, you about to punch me in my face, tell me some knickels.
Y'all don't know about the knickels.
Okay, you about to hit me. Calm down. Bring it down to one. You doing too much. Anywho, but yeah, we got knickels. I was gonna do the fancy sausage, which is Hillshire. That's my second favorite sausage. Like if I'm tired of knickels, I'll do Hillshire. But anyway, let's go on and taste this. I don't really like cucumbers like that because, I'm not gonna say I don't like them. I don't care for them as much. I'll eat them in my salad, and that's about it.
Cucumbers with some chamoy and Lucas.
Brandon Tate. Brandon Tate.
Delicious.
If you hit me with that fork, I'm gonna kill you.
I ain't gonna hit you.
You keep going like this.
Your head like cucumber.
For real, come on. I got ranch to put my little on. Should I try it by itself or?
I mean, yeah, I try it by itself. Then you can do the ranch.
I want a little flavor.
Cause the meal don't come with ranch.
I want a little
The meal just comes with this.
Be quiet.
So we gonna try this.
Be quiet. Don't try to tell me what to do. Don't try to tell me what to do.
So what you do? You just eat it all together, or you just eat it?
You eat it all together, basically. Or however you want to. I mean, not really single, because then you just eating rice by itself, and then you gonna eat the cucumber by itself. No, all together. Go! Don't cheat. Really ain't no fork except for the rice. Cucumbers and sausage is good. I think I can eat cucumbers and sausage.
They don't go together.
It's not even that bad, Brandon. It's like regular items.
No, they don't go together.
Oh, my bad, y'all. I'm smacking. I'm smacking. Magic.
It ain't no real cucumber.
Well, it's not. I don't think it's this cucumber, but we don't have it down here. I don't think. It's not this cucumber. It's like really, really crunchy. You're weird though. Yeah, cause it's
The sausage good.
They didn't ask you about the sausage. That's not the review. I don't know. I would leave the rice off. Do the cucumbers and the sausage. I don't really care for the rice as much. If I had it at 2 times spicy, though, that'd be hitting. That one time spicy sauce, put it on the rice and eat the cucumbers and sausage all together. I think it'll take it up a notch. Okay. Next. Oh, we need a plate. Now, I'm not trying to get this all.
You can plate.
You can, but I don't want mine touching. We got.
I mean, mine ain't gonna be touching. I don't let my food touch them anyway.
Yours is gonna be touching. It's gonna be wet with pickle juice.
No, it's not.
We got cotton candy and pickles.
And them kosher things.
Just pickles. Doing the most.
They kind of.
You need to calm your
gave us some chopped up pickles at the top. Like them boys really they chopped up. Like some of them right
I think you need to calm your tits. You getting a little excited.
I am calm.
I don't know about this cotton candy and pickles. I think it's gonna be a little outrageous. Make it sound like your stomach hurt.
Something to eat.
Make your stomach hurt or something.
Which one you want this one?
My mom was already like, you don't need to be feeding that baby all that nasty stuff and blah, blah, blah. I don't know, girl. I think I'll be all right. Ooh, this my hair. This my good hair.
I mean, we could have both of that. That's a big, you finna put all that on that pickle?
Oh, it smells good. I ain't had cotton candy in so long. I ain't never had this kind of cotton candy, even though they probably all taste the same. Put it in there, yeah. I need mine to be covered. It's supposed to be covered.
I know it's gonna
be covered. So what you're supposed to do is take the cotton candy and wrap it in the pickle. We should have got.
We wrapping the whole pickle?
You're supposed to wrap the whole pickle, Mama.
Oh, I thought we were just gonna wrap half or the top of it.
No, he's supposed to wrap the whole thing.
But I mean, if we just tried it, we could just wrap it.
He really ain't trying to do right.
I am.
He really not. Honestly, with this cotton candy is layered like this, like topped off. So how are we really gonna do that?
Well, I'm saying you could just.
But see, we should have got the correct cotton candy, and we wouldn't have to worry about that.
What you mean correct cotton candy? Cotton candy.
This is not the one. Like they come in. I mean the other pack that it comes in. It's not stacked up like this kind of cotton candy. But I'm getting mine though. I'm just taking it apart.
On mine too. I almost about covered up.
Pickles and sugar. That's what this is. I hope my baby don't push the button on this one. I hope I can keep it down because this ain't it.
Y'all, I don't know how. I love pickles and I don't know how I feel about this.
But you said you was all excited about it and you wanted to.
I ain't say
what the heck? What? Look at his pickles.
What you mean? I did it.
Brandon.
What? I ain't
mine isn't as neat as it should be, but basically you're supposed to take the cotton candy and roll it in the pickle. It's supposed to be covered. Bobo.
Well, I ain't say I often eat the whole pickles.
I didn't say it either, but you're supposed to do it for everybody to show them. That looked like a freaking messed up, retarded looking ice cream cone.
They know we getting that. Pickles and cotton candy.
Candy. Oh!
Y'all know we got that off of. Look.
That cotton candy.
You ready?
It's like a sugar flavor. See, I shouldn't have got that. I'm scared.
Alright.
I'm scared.
Go.
Which side I'm biting off of? Oh, I don't like booty pieces on the pickles.
Booty pieces?
The little end pieces.
Biting from the other end.
Them.
It don't have no booty piece on it.
Yes, it do.
No, it don't.
That little end piece. And the inside, I don't like them. That's why I ask you to bite them off every time I get a pickle, don't I?
Not really.
Yes, I do. I ask you, or either I cut it. If I don't ask you, I cut it.
You got
No, I
bite
want
it.
it.
Well, bite it from the side. Bite
That's
it.
too much. It's gonna make a mess. I'm gonna get a lot of sugar.
It ain't nasty, but it ain't good. I don't know what it tastes like. It's weird.
I'm going back in.
It's good here. I don't know. Like, it's weird. I don't know how to explain the taste. I think my taste buds is just crazy, y'all. Like, no cap.
I don't know if it's the baby or what, but
It gotta
it's
be the
fine with
baby.
me.
It gotta be the baby. For you. She telling that one girl. I'm gonna bite it again. I'm gonna, get another intake on it.
It tastes like a sweet pickle. And I don't even like sweet pickles. You know how they have the sweet pickles in the jar? I don't really care for those. But this is a different kind of sweet.
I don't know. It's weird, but I'm starting to like it. I don't know.
Oh! Y'all saw that?
I don't know, y'all.
I wouldn't recommend getting this one. This kind of cotton candy. Just because it's got a sucker taste to it. You don't taste that?
Mm-mm.
It's not like regular cotton candy where you just tastes like straight sugar. But it ain't bad though. What?
She tearing that mug up.
I had a napkin. You know where it is.
It's weird.
I'm
sorry I keep saying it, but that what it really is. Like, no cap.
My pickle doesn't look so appealing because I bit off of it, but I recommend somebody to try this. Like if you like Kool-Aid pickles, but I've never tried one. I don't think I'll ever try one because I don't think I would like it. But if you like that, I think it's sugar and pickles. I don't know. I'm probably gonna finish this.
I see. Half of it already gone.
I probably won't finish the cotton candy at the bottom because that's too much. But yeah.
There was some weird stuff we tried. My mouth look like it's blue. My mouth blue.
Don't your lips?
It look like it's blue.
Look at that. It melted on the side. Ew.
I'm finna get blue though. But, man. That's all we got.
So what would you rate that? What would you rate the cotton candy pickle?
I give it. Out of what though?
1 out of 10.
I give it a 6.
That's a strong rating coming from you. That is.
I give it a 6. Just because it's weird.
Don't say it's weird. It's just different. It's just not something you ever had.
No, it's weird.
It's different.
What you rate it?
Huh?
What you rate it? 10.
No, I rated it a strong 7.
Strong 7.
Because it's not something that I'll pick up and just eat every day. And this is not healthy.
What you rate though?
Salt and sugar, that's not healthy. The cucumber pickles, the cucumber sausage and rice. It's not bad. But I wouldn't rate it like how I would rate this. So I say about a 5. I think for real, if I had some one-time spicy sauce, I think I'd rate that probably like a 9, a strong 9. I ain't gonna push it to a 7 though. But that would be a whole meal for me, for real. If I had that one time spicy, for real. That's all that's missing.
I don't like it.
I don't want this no more. I'm done. I don't want to make myself sick. But yeah, you want to end the video?
Well, guys, that's all we have for you today. Is those 2 things for the what do you call it here? Oh, the viral TikTok snack. So we hope you guys enjoyed the video. Hope you liked the video. Hope it was. What's SpongeBob do? I don't know the word he say. Amazing.
I know what episode you're talking about, but I don't know what word.
Man, we finna get up out of here. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and hit that post notification bell down below for more bangers. You already know. Be in love, gang. We got